بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب مدرسة التميز النموذجية طلاب الصف العاشر، أهلا وسهلا بكم في دروس الوحدة الثالثة من مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. Today إن شاء الله we are going to study lessons 4 and 5 in unit 3. The unit is still talking about buildings in Kuwait. If I ask you, mention some important buildings in Kuwait. Mention some important buildings in Kuwait. Yes, that's true. Yes, there are many important buildings in Kuwait, such as Kuwait Towers, the Avenue Mall, 360 Mall, etc. So, let's start to study our new vocabulary for this lesson. The Kuwait Stock Exchange is a large and important center of finance in the Gulf region. It is a tall, modernistic building. So the first word is modernistic. Modernistic, it comes from modern, modernistic adjective in a very modern style. The next word is substantial. The main trading floor is substantial. Houses are very substantial buildings. So, substantial means large in importance, size, or value. Substantial. The next word is spacious. We have so spacious rooms in our house. Look at this picture. It is a spacious room. Spacious, large, with plenty of space. Large means very wide. Look at these pictures. The men in these pictures are chic. He is always so chic. This is a very chic house. Chic means stylish. Sturdy. The bridge is sturdy. Very strong and solid or thick. It is very sturdy. Our new vocabulary in this lesson are, look at the picture, excellent, chic. The next picture, excellent, modernistic. The next, excellent, spacious. The next, excellent, sturdy. And the last one is excellent, substantial. Now we are going to revise an important and interesting grammatical rule. It's about comparatives and superlative. So let's start with adjectives. Note these two groups of adjectives: important and large, modernistic and tall, substantial and busy. What's the difference between these two groups? Yes, excellent. These adjectives are long adjectives. Why? They consist of more than one syllable. They consist of more than one syllable. And the other group are short adjectives. Short adjectives. Why? Because they consist of one syllable. Large, tall, busy. They are short adjectives. But long adjectives consist of more than one syllable, like important, modernistic, substantial. Yes. Okay. Adjectives. Remember, what do we do when with comparative and superlative? ER is added to adjectives for comparison and EST adjectives in the superlative form with short adjectives. Ali is cleverer than Ahmed. Ali is the cleverest boy in the class. But in long adjectives, if the word is long, you just add word more for comparative or most for the superlative. For example, interesting in comparative, more interesting. In superlative, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful. And the most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, and the most intelligent. Comparative, superlative, and irregulars. There are many examples for both short and long adjectives in comparative and superlative. Tall, the first group. Tall, taller. Short, shorter. Nice, nicer. Big, bigger. This is in comparative. Hot, hotter. Funny, funnier. This is with short adjectives. With long adjectives, expensive, more expensive. Interesting, more interesting. In superlative, we add EST with superlative. Tall, the tallest. Short, the shortest. Nice, the nicest. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Funny, the funniest. Expensive, the most expensive. Interesting, the most interesting. The last two adjectives are long adjectives. So we add the most. There are some irregulars. Such as good. In comparative, we say better. In superlative, we say the best. Bad. In comparative, worse. In superlative, the worst. Many. In comparative, more. And in superlative, the most. Much is in comparative, more. And in superlative, the most. Far, farther or further, the farthest or the furthest. Comparative and superlative grammar reference page 126 and 127 in your student book. Hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest. Now open your student's book, page 26. Page 26. Exercise number 2. Complete this table and add the adjectives tall, large, big, busy, and important in the correct spaces based on the spelling of the adjectives shown. For example, the first example is shown: short, tall, shorter, taller, the shortest, the tallest. Number 2. Who can answer? Thin. What is the adjective has the same syllable in spelling? Yes, excellent. Big, thin, thinner, the thinnest. Big, excellent. Bigger, the biggest. Excellent. The next adjective, heavy. Which adjective, based on spelling, can be added here. Excellent. Busy. Busy is like heavy. Heavy, heavier, the heaviest. Busy, excellent. Busier, the busiest. Excellent. Luxurious. Luxurious. More luxurious, the most luxurious. It is a long adjective. Which adjective here is long? Excellent. It is important. Important. More important, the most important. The last one, fine. Yes, we choose large. Fine, finer, the finest. Large, larger, the largest. Excellent. What are the comparative and superlative form of the irregular adjectives good and bad? We have studied this before and it's so easy. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Excellent. Number A. First, match adjectives 1 to 6 with the opposite adjective A and F. You may use dictionary or the glossary at the end of the book. Spacious, affordable, cozy, dark, traditional, and sturdy. Number A, modern or chic. Number B, weak. Number C, well-lit. Number D, tinny. Number E, costly. Number F, uncomfortable. Number 1, spacious. Spacious. What is the opposite of spacious? Excellent. Number D, tinny. The opposite of spacious is tinny. Number 2, affordable. What is the opposite of affordable? Who can answer? Excellent. Number E, costly. Number E, costly. Number 3, cozy. What is the opposite of cozy? Excellent. It is number F, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Number 4, dark. What is the opposite of dark? Excellent. The opposite of dark is number C, well lit. Well lit. Number 5, traditional. Traditional. What is the opposite of traditional? Excellent. The opposite of traditional is number A, modern or chic. The last one, sturdy. The opposite of sturdy is number B, weak. Excellent. Now we are going to study a new grammatical rule. It's compound adjectives. Compound adjectives. Compound adjectives. Look at this example. A building of 20 stories. A building of 20 stories. How can I make compound adjective in this example? Look, it's very easy. A 20-story building. A building of 20 stories, I say a 20-story building. It is a sentence contains compound adjective. Compound adjective. So what is the rule here? What is the rule here? The rule is I start with the article a, an, or the. Then I change the second noun from plural into singular. And I add the first noun. Let's see. Who can change the first sentence? Number 1. Excellent. It is a car with 4 wheels. I say a 4-wheel car. A 4-wheel car. Excellent. Number 2. It's a flat of 2 rooms. It's a flat of 2 rooms. Excellent. It's a 2-room flat. It's a 2-room flat. Number 3. It's a mobile of 2 lines. Excellent. A 2-line mobile. Number 4, it's a book of 200 pages. A 200-page book. Excellent. Exercise 4. Look at this compound adjective and its meaning. It's a 7-star hotel. It is a hotel with 7 stars. Now, write these phrases using compound adjective. Number A, a journey of 20 kilometers. Number B, a meal with 3 courses. Number C, a block of 44 stories. The example given is, it's a 7-star hotel. It's a hotel with 7 stars. Check your answer. Number A, a journey of 20 kilometers. A journey of 20 kilometers. Who can use compound adjectives? Excellent. A 20-kilometer journey. A 20-kilometer journey. Number B, a meal with 3 courses. A meal with 3 courses. Who can use compound adjectives? Excellent. A 3-course meal. A 3-course meal. Number C, a block of 44 stories. A block of 44 stories. Who can use compound adjectives here? Excellent. A 44-story block. A 44-story block. Thank you very much, my students. Goodbye.